Assalamu alaikum shabab wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm going to talk about preposition, which in Arabic we name it حروف الجر. So the word حروف, it means letters. So it's a plural. The singular is حرف, ha, ru, there is dhamma, حرف, which mean one letter, and حروف is a plural. It means letters. And the word al-jar, the word jar without alif lam, it means drag. It's like when you drag something, okay? You drag it on the floor, not on the floor, doesn't matter, but you drag something. And the reason we name them in this name, حروف الجر, because every noun in Arabic language, when it's going to be مجرور, which means it drags, it's taking down, usually there is كسرة at the end of this noun. So the kasra will be included in the last letter in this noun. So this noun must be preceded by one of this preposition, by one of these حروف الجر. Okay? So why it's حروف الجر? Because this letters, when it come, the noun come after it, we will say اسم مجرور بحرف الجر. So this letters or particles, when it come, it caused the noun come after it has to take كسرة at the end. Okay, Shabab? And so do not forget that حرف, it means letter, one letter, and حروف, it means letters, so many letters, okay? And in English, of course, we name it preposition. So here in this slide, I want to talk about the type of kind of حروف الجر, أنواع حروف الجر. The word أنواع, it's plural for the word نوع, and نوع, it means نوع. So نوع, it's singular, أنواع is plural, and نوع, it means type or kind, okay? Kind or type. Okay, شباب? So here we will say there is kind of, the first group is separated preposition. The separated one consists of more than one letters, and they can stand alone, independent from the following noun. They can be combined with attachable pronoun. This group include two categories. So now the separated group of the preposition, it consists of two groups, okay? One of them can stand by itself, and the other one, and the same group, it could be attached to one of the attachable pronoun. Now, I want you to remember what the attachable pronoun, it's the pronouns we use to attach to the noun that include the ownership, the possessive, okay? So these two types of حروف الجر. First one, it's particles. They are also called short prepositions, and in Arabic, they are called حروف الجر. حروف الجر, or as I told you at the beginning, حرف الجر if it's singular. Then the other, so the first group is particle and the other group is ظرف. And the ظرف preposition they called noun in accusative. However, the ظرف, it's adverb of a place or adverb of time, which again we have it, we name it in Arabic ظرف مكان and ظرف زمان. Both particles, the preposition and ظرف preposition can be followed by a noun in the genitives. When a noun follows a حرف جر, it is called اسم مجرور بحرف الجر. Okay, شباب? The noun will be اسم مجرور, which means the dragged noun. Whereas the genitive nouns after the ظرف is called إضافة. إضافة. The إضافة and اسم مجرور are both genitives. Okay, شباب? Now, look at the particles preposition. And these, it's everywhere. There is no way you will read small articles or paragraph without you see these particles. إلى, which mean to or until. حتى, على, عن, في, مع, من. And this is min, which mean from. Okay, it's not men, it is min. Let's see if I can. Okay. So min, and this is the most one. And then the attached one. The attached one like lam and ba. And you remember one day when I was talking about Arabic language, I told you it's the only language even the letter has full meaning. And here, if you remember that this attached to pronoun, even we can add ya and we can add more, but I just have these as example. And so the lam, when attached to any of the attachable pronoun, which is the ownership of pronouns, let's name them, or the possessive, it's give different meanings. So if lam plus ha mim, it's going to be lahum, which mean for them. But if I do the ba with ha mim, it's going to be bihim, which means in them. Lam and ha, it's lahu, which means to him. Lam ha noon, it's lahunna, which means to them, group of a plural feminine. Lam kaf fatha is laka, which means to you. Laki, which means to you too, but this to you singular masculine and this to you singular feminine. Then lakum, to you, group of masculine or feminine. The same with ba. So lam plus any one of attachable pronoun, it's going to mean to them or to her or to me or to you or to us. But ba plus any attachable pronoun, it means in me, in you, in us, whatever sentence. And here there is some examples about the particles. So نحن نذهب إلى المدرسة. إلى, to. We are going to school. نحن نذهب إلى المدرسة. I am looking at the window. أنظر إلى الشباك. أنظر إلى الشباك. إلى, here at. Ahmed is studying until midnight. أحمد يدرس إلى منتصف الليل. So if you look at إلى, come with إلى with time. Here with Ahmed is studying until midnight. Or here we are going to school. Here it's speaking about location. And here is speaking at something. Then حتى. حتى we use it again in a place and time. So حتى it means until, up to, as far as, or to. We run together to the end of the road. نركض معا حتى نهاية الطريق. نركض معا حتى نهاية الطريق. معا, it means together. We study in the cafe until midnight. In Arabic, ندرس في المقهى حتى منتصف الليل. Here it give me time. I used it with time, and here I used it with kind of destination or place. على. على, it come in the meaning of on, over, above, like الكتاب على الرف. الكتاب على الرف, in case شباب, because I didn't put it in every word. أنا أجلس على الكرسي. Doesn't let me, I think it's kind of spacing. Yep. So I am sitting on the chair. So here, على, on. عن, which mean from. Sometimes عن come at the meaning, with the meaning of about, and you will see. Here, الجامعة بعيدة جدا عن بيته. الجامعة بعيدة جدا عن بيته. Here in the meaning of from. Here, هي تتكلم عن الامتحان كثيرا. Here in the meaning of about. هي تتكلم عن الامتحان كثيرا. في, which mean in and at. Look here. أنا أنتظر في السيارة. أنا أنتظر في السيارة. هو في محل الخضار. هو في محل الخضار. Okay? Again, here in the meaning of at, here in the meaning of an, in. مع. And here, شباب, with مع, please focus with this one. Because in Arabic language, in English, for example, I am writing with the pen. We don't say أنا أكتب مع القلم, because مع, it means with. So be very careful when you try to translate this one. So if I am writing with the pen, أنا أكتب بالقلم, it's going to be just باء. But أنا أذهب, if, let's say the English sentence, I go to school with my friend. Here we're going to use مع. So remember, مع, we use it with a human being. If with, we use it in English for thing, like I'm writing with the pen, I am driving by my car. So the with is going to be ba in Arabic language, but with a human being, the with, we're gonna write it like ميم عين, مع. Like هل معك قلم? Do you have a pen with you? هل معك قلم? Do you have a pen with you? Here, because with you, you are human being. So I use مع with معك, which mean with you. But if you say, I am writing with my pen or with the pen. Here, the with, it goes to the pen, not to you. Okay? I'm studying today with some friend. أنا أدرس اليوم مع بعض الأصدقاء. with. هي تذهب إلى المدرسة مع أختها. من, which mean from. أشتري فواكه من السوق. أشتري فواكه من السوق. هو يأخذ الكتاب من دانيا. هو يأخذ الكتاب من دانيا. من from. The same way when we say, where are you from? من أين أنت? Okay. Here are some exercises that how you're going to use them with the attached pronoun. And do not forget the plural, which is nun alif, kaf mim. And this we talk about it, but I'm going to talk about it again. So if lam attached with ya, it's going to be li, which means for me. With lam and kaf fatha, laka, for you. Laki, for you, singular feminine. Lahu, for him. Laha, for her. Lakuma, for you, the dual. Lahuma, for them, the dual. Lana, to us. Lakum, to all of you. Lakunna, to all of you, the plural feminine. Lahum, to them, the plural mix or just masculine. Lahunna, to them, plural feminine. And if you don't use the lam, you use ba, it's going to be in me, in you, biya, bika, biki, bihi, biha, bikuma, bihuma, bina, bikum, bikunna, bihum, bihin. Okay, Shabab? So this exactly what I was talking about. And here it's really inseparable preposition. So if you take the ba away from the noun or from the attachable pronoun, it has no meaning. So it must be attached. Like أجلس على المقعد بالمدرسة. بالمدرسة, which means in the school. بالمدرسة. I sit on the bench in the school. أجلس على المقعد بالمدرسة. I write with the pen. أنا أكتب بالقلم. بالقلم. So the ba must be attached. Here, أنا أذهب إلى العمل بالسيارة. I go to work by car. بالسيارة. So you have two preposition here and here two preposition too. Here, بكم كيلو الطماطم. How much is 1 kilogram of tomato? Become, how much? Okay, and if the answer it's a 3 dinar, بثلاثة دنانير. بثلاثة دنانير. Okay, so it must be attached with lam. So here I'm telling you this preposition mean to, for, because of, in order of, or, until. So because of, if it's attached to alif nun, لأن. So let's look at the example. أذهب للمدرسة كل يوم. I go to school every day. So here in the meaning of to. Fatima, buy a pot for cooking. فاطمة تشتري وعاء للطبخ. للطبخ. for in the meaning of for. Here أستأجر أوبر للوصول مبكرا. I rent an Uber because I want to arrive early. I am taking an Uber to arrive early. Okay. أسهر للصبح كل يوم. I am staying up until morning every day. ظرف. Here about ظرف, it is categorized into ظرف مكان, adverb of a place, and ظرف زمان, adverb of time. Some of these adverbs could refer to both time and place, and you will see some of them. For example, here I have أمام, أمام, خلف, خلف, بعد, بعد, قبل, قبل, بين, بين, مقابل, مقابل, أثناء, أثناء, خلال, خلال, تحت, تحت, حول, حول, عند, عند, خارج, خارج, داخل, داخل, فوق, فوق, منذ, منذ, وراء, وراء, وسط, وسط, مقابل, مقابل. So there is some of them, such as منذ, we use it for time. And for example, أثناء, أثناء, we use it for time too. عند, we use it for time and the place. حول, we use it for a place and for time. خلال, for time and the place. And thank God I tried to make it as short as possible, and thank God I was able. Thank you so much, Shabab, and I wish you a blessed day. Bye-bye.